Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can send a coworker or an entire team a notification to get their attention by mentioning them in a post by using the @mention feature. You can also use @mentions to alert members of a subset of a team to whom you have applied a tag, which we will look at in an upcoming lesson. To add an @mention into a post, click into the body of a reply or a new post and type the @symbol. Then start typing either a member's name, team, channel, or tagged group. Then select it from the resulting list. Note that the @mention in the post appears in a different font color. Next, complete your post and click the Send button. The person, tagged group, team, or channel members you mentioned will receive a notification to alert them. You can hover over the @mention in the post to view the mentioned entity's contact card.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.